Hey guys, so always updating and looking for new ways to make my add-on even better. And I was looking through something here, kind of playing with the strobe kit, and under the solid view and viewport shading, and I've kind of got this a little brighter, looking different. You can come down here and click, from theme to viewport, and you can change what your viewport color looks like. I thought that's pretty nice. Yeah, just add a little tint to it. But the real cool thing is something else that I found, and I really don't go into the solid view and do a whole lot. I'm not sure how many people do, but if you come in here, obviously you can rotate the studio light that is in here. Now I've added that to the add-on. I still got to tweak it so it shows up correctly, so I'm not going to post this version just yet. But you can get that rotation right here, and you can rotate that around. Now another one is if you were to turn this on or off, and I'll go back to theme. If you turn this off, the rotation doesn't work anymore, and it's like an HDRI inside of the viewport shading solid view. So it's really cool. It gives you 360 degrees lighting so you can see shading errors. Very helpful. You turn this on, and then you're going to need to adjust that to properly see it. So if you've ever been in the viewport and things don't necessarily look great, that is one of the things that you can do, is you can just turn that off. If you're on material, you can turn that off as well and get a really nice look at it. Of course, I have cavity on. You can turn up your ridge and valley factor so you can kind of see, what you're doing a little bit better. And like I said, that will be incorporated in to the Light Magic Studio as well, but you can easily find it right here. And if you want to get rid of some more glare, you can come down here and turn off specular lighting. And if you want there to be some sort of an outline to your mesh so you can kind of see what's going on, you can turn on the outline as well. I just find it to be kind of intrusive, so I don't like that. Keep the specular lighting off, and there you go. That's it. Just a better way to look at it in the viewport. See you in the next tutorial lesson.